Hi friends, I'm going to show you today how to use short and if condition in C#. So this is my as usual if condition. Now let's make this into short and if condition. So I want to check this condition. So copy this condition here and paste it. Okay, and add a question mark after that. So after the question mark part, it will print that if, or it will execute that if statement. So if it is matched, then here it will be executed. So I want to print now true, or else add a colon. So after that colon part, it will execute or print that else statement. So I want to print false here. Okay. So so in the above if condition, I am printing it here. So add this line before this and close it. So this is called a short and if condition. So first we need to paste that condition what we need to check. So add a question mark. So after that question mark, so it will print or execute that condition which is matched. So if it is not matched means, so it will be go for else condition. Else means here after that colon, so we need to use that colon for else condition. It is must. Now let's see. Now I'm going to comment that old code. See, now the old code is commented. Now let's see. See, now it is true. Now let's see how that else condition work. I'm going to add some text with this. Now I need it output as false. Now let's run my application. See, false is printed. So it is a simple way of using if condition. It is called as short and if. So it makes more sense than that old if condition. Thanks for watching my video, friends. Bye.